Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, January 13th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So the bears started off continuing what they attempted to do Friday. They officially put NQ's weekly down, right? Some people probably had it balanced. Again, I'm calling it down even though we rallied really nicely late in the day. So we're down on the weekly and dailies. The monthlies are in balance. The gaps failed, obviously. ES attempted to go trend up 3 times. They failed, but then goes out with a very nice price probe late in the day. And you could actually possibly use C's high as a price spike where change took place. Now, if I put this back in ones, value high is right around there. So that's definitely something to keep an eye on. Let's go through all of them. Righty ends with a very nice price. They definitely had a price spike in H, even though they didn't hold trend. Look at that. When they finally got the IB high, the market spiked, never stopped. Look at that. They one time framed up the entire afternoon. Okay? Look at this head fake. They almost got the IB low in F, came back, took out E's high, and then just ripped the entire day. So they go out with a very nice price spike or price probe to the upside. ES goes out with an 8 wide POC and a price probe. And Q goes out only 7 wide after being 7, ES 7 wide after being 7 for 7, but they do go out with a price probe. And I'm debating if I'm going to use C's high tomorrow morning. We'll see where we are or whatnot, because I think that is a pretty good visual level. Even though we didn't hold trend and H and J got below it, not by much. And then we started going. I had a decent day. It was kind of a weird day. I'll be honest with you. I didn't expect them to go and rip like this, especially once it took forever for ES to get the overnight high. NQ never got either overnight. Okay, so Friday they didn't get either IB. Today they didn't get either overnight and NQ. But I was a little taken back at how powerful the market moved in M period. Now it is M. And you got to take M with a grain of salt, right? We've seen this act before, and then the next day it comes right back in. Don't forget we do have PPI tomorrow morning. I did have a good day. I was short in NQ in A period to get the overnight low. Now, we didn't get it, but I still did okay on the trade, and then some ebb and flow shorts. In B period, I took the short on the turnover, which worked because the ALGOs were still pushing down. NQ was down over 0.6% a good part of the day until late in the day when we ripped up and they took that all away. I did take a long, though, in B period to take out A's high. I got that. And then when it pulled back, I was doing, again, some more shorts, ebb and flow, because once they got A's high, they pulled back. We still had the gap at that point, lower value, and indices in their favor. The one loss I took in the day was in C period. I thought they might push lower. I took the short on the turnover where they went against me. I lost about 25 points. It was only on a one lot, but missed 25. And then I missed the IB high. Didn't get it. I missed that. In E period, I took a short to stop the one-time framing up. Same thing in J period to stop the one-time framing up. And in K period, in ES, I took a short once we got the overnight high and made 4.5 points on it. I thought that's all they wanted to do. And it did pull back, and I made some money on it. So this price spike late, probe, whatever you want to call it, did kind of surprise me. Again, though, I wouldn't go get too giddy over it. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning when regular trade now is open. And then let's get to the charts. So here's ES. So look, this is the daily. We're down. All right, we're one-time framing down 4 days, actually. Yes, it was a very nice comeback, but we're down. Same on the weekly. We're down. We had an outside week down, don't forget. We had an outside week down. Now, triple Qs never did. Triple Qs, again, for me, finally down. And the daily also down, one-time framing down 4 days. So we'll see if we take out today's high tomorrow, the daily comes right back to balance. So I thought the bigger directional move would be when we either take out the Fed day high or this low. Hasn't really happened. In fact, it hasn't happened. Yes, we gapped lower today, and what do we get out of it? Not much. So again, even though the daily's down and everything, I'm a little surprised we didn't get more to the downside. So kind of shades of 23 and 24 when the bulls were in control. We'll see if that's going to start turning the same way this year. But let's see what happens. We have a lot going on this week. Anyway, I hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.